Welcome to one of the most desirable 55 and over communities in Palm Beach County. Today we're in Cascades in Boynton Beach. I'm excited to showcase one of the biggest models in Cascades. This is the Spacious Granville model. It offers over 2,000 square feet of living space with a split bedroom layout, high ceilings, multiple areas for entertaining, including this beautiful formal dining room and formal living room. The kitchen is a standout with 42-inch white cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a newer KitchenAid refrigerator. The dishwasher and new disposal are perfect for everyday living and hosting guests. The wallpaper has been removed and replaced with fresh, clean finishes, giving it a modern, move-in ready look. From the family room and the kitchen, you can see the beautiful screened-in patio, which is surrounded by lush landscaping. A peaceful setting to enjoy Florida's year-round sunshine. This home is set on a generously sized lot with a large side yard. The primary suite is your private retreat with his and hers custom closets, a luxury bathroom featuring a soaking tub, glass enclosed shower, and dual vanities. The primary bedroom and bathroom have recently been painted. The second bedroom is located at the front of the home, ideal for your guests, and it does connect to an updated second bathroom with granite countertops and a glass tub shower enclosure. As a resident of Cascades, you'll enjoy the newly renovated clubhouse with a state-of-the-art fitness center, tennis and pickleball courts, a resort-style pool and spa, as well as a great HOA that covers cable, internet, lawn care for a true resort-style living. This freshly painted Granville model in Cascades is priced at $534.9 and ready for you to call it home. If you're looking for an active adult lifestyle in a vibrant Boynton Beach community, this is the one you don't want to miss.